Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so simply check it and come back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, we have to scroll down a little bit and find the demo mode. And as you can see here, we can either enable the demo mode without showing it actually, so nothing changed, but you can show it also just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, just take a look at this status bar, and we can see all of the icons in their full state. So this is how the demo mode shows. Of course, we can hide it just by tapping on the switcher and turn it off completely just by tapping on the first one. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.